Hello friends, welcome to Monetas. Well, this video is going to be everything about Monetas. So friends, let's understand what actually the Monetas is. Monetas is a top-notch blockchain gaming solution. It develops the industry's best gaming solutions and provides the exclusive BB20 MNTG token and wallet. Moreover, being a developer, your development can also be integrated with the unique MNTG token and their wallet solution too. If we talk about its benefits, Monetas is the emerging platform that researches, develops and operates diverse utility solution for crypto world. Monetas will soon going to become a revolutionary platform by introducing cryptocurrency mode of payments across various methods which let user to experience a smooth and reliable platform to perform transactions and making payments. Not only in gaming solutions, but Monetas is also incorporating blockchain technologies in various other projects like MNTG Wallet, utility solutions, NFT marketplace, games and products. Monetas has recently launched its first product, MNTG Wallet. The best part of the MNTG Wallet is you can buy, send, transfer and store MNTG tokens in your MNTG Wallet and can use the same token over multiple platforms. So the MNTG wallet will update it in real time so that users will not have to get separate MNTG tokens for every different platforms. This concept will change the entire outlook of the virtual payments and allows the users to experience hassle-free transactions on multiple integrated gaming solutions. Now, let's understand the detail about MNTG Wallet. Friends, Monetas Global's MNTG Wallet is an innovative, safe and secure crypto wallet solution. It provides an exclusive listing for a variety of crypto tokens, allowing you to buy, store, collect, swap and earn crypto. Initially started with an excellent idea of an exclusive MNTG token to be simultaneously used across multiple utility and gaming solutions for virtual transactions. Monetas came a long way so far. After a lot of brainstorming and ideation, Monetas finally launched the exclusive MNTG wallet to ensure easier exchange of industry's leading crypto tokens and buying of MNTG tokens. Now crossing around 1 lakh plus global downloads and 90,000 plus current holders. Soon ERC20, TRC20 and other prominent network will also be added to MNTG wallet. And this journey will continue with various other fascinating launches and industry's leading crypto-based solution exclusively from Monetas. Based on the upcoming projects and its huge potential in market, MNTG wallet is rapidly thriving and it's expanded to cross almost a huge value shortly. Yes, you got it right. This journey is also extremely like a millennial turning to a success in a short span. If we talk about the highlights of MNTG wallet then, first, in just a few seconds you may log into your account or create a new one with MNTG wallet. To create your account, you simply need to submit some basic information and then you are ready to start. Second, you can quickly send and receive the best crypto tokens available on the market with MNTG wallet application. MNTG wallet listed with BNB, MNTG, EDK, TRX and ETH and will soon expand to include more crypto tokens for sending and receiving. Third, MNTG Wallet is a one-stop shop for all the Monetas global clients looking to purchase MNTG token quickly for a variety of uses. You can also exchange those tokens for cash and keep them in your wallet. Fourth, aside from the most recent MNTG token, Monetas Global also has a Binance Smart Chain-based BNB token that can be traded through MNTG Wallet application. MNTG Wallet may also be used to send, receive and store these tokens fast. Fifth, do you have a crypto coin you would like to see included in the MNTG wallet? Well, it's not a problem at all. You can contact support at monetasglobal.com at any time to get your token added to the wallet. And if we talk about the benefits of MNTG wallet then, MNTG wallet by Monetas Global is a suggested option for those crypto token enthusiasts who want to use the most up-to-date wallet solution for exchanging a variety of high-quality tokens. It also offers several other advantages including, first, it currently covers the top crypto token in the business and plan to expand its territory by adding more notable tokens shortly. Second, it's growing and evolving solution that allows you to be a part of something bigger that coming to the worldwide market. Third, with the crypto token in your wallet, you can earn easily as the price increases. Fourth, the ability to exchange tokens more easily without needing to leave the wallet. Fifth, your crypto tokens will be safer and more secure. Now, let's know how to buy MNTG from MNTG Wallet. Accessing and using MNTG Wallet for various purposes is very easy. First of all, you have to register and then log in using your register user ID. Further, you will see the listing of top-notch cryptocurrency tokens on it. You can check out the video how to buy MNTG using MNTG Wallet, and also you can check the video to know more about MNTG Wallet, and both the video links are mentioned in the description box. Recently, MNTG has been listed on various exchanges like B2B B2B, PancakeSwap and LA Token. You will find the link in description of how to buy MNTG token from those exchanges. First, you can check the link for the PancakeSwap. Similarly, you can check out for the B2B B2B, and then you can check how to buy MNTG token from LA Token. Friends, on LA Token, MNTG has already started this trading competition where you can trade and win up to 20,000 MNTG tokens. This competition has already started from 29 July 2021 and will end on 19th August 2021. So what are you waiting for? Watch out the video now to see how to participate in LA Token trading competition, and the link is mentioned in our description box. Apart from trading competition, you can also earn free 10 MNTG tokens through MNTG airdrop. Here you have to complete some simple task and invite your friends and get chance to win MNTG tokens. And link of it is mentioned in our description box. In the upcoming days, MNTG is also to be listed on several cryptocurrency exchanges. Currently, it holds 40 million MNTG tokens and it's working on expanding its portfolio in the gaming industry. The token that currently values 1 USD per token are estimated to rise in the worth as the usage increases. What are the developed solutions that Monetas aims to offer to the world? Monetas will soon launch a new product, an online fantasy sports app. It's going to be the world's first fantasy platform with cryptocurrency, where you can join upcoming matches and tournaments of real-time sports by creating your team or joining an exciting one. Using MNTG token, you can take part in numerous online tournaments, live upcoming matches, and win many exciting cash rewards. You can also earn some token amount with every successful referral of your friends and colleagues. Not just this, but Monetas also has various games lined up in the portfolio, which will be soon launched for all the global users. And soon, the game will also integrate it with MNTG Wallet to offer more facility for the users. What else do you think makes the Monetas the perfect solution for you? It provides you absolute ownership to get complete control over your assets. And you can also invest according to your wish. It's pretty fair and reliable and maintains high quality privacy and tight security. Hence, it lessens the chances of fraud. So friends, stay tuned for upcoming videos, and if you are watching this video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for all the latest updates from our channel. Thank you.